KMC Conquest FlexStat brings the popular room controller series into our premier line of BACnet advanced application controllers with all the tools and support of KMC Conquest products. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to install the KMC Conquest FlexStat. Before starting installation, be sure to select the appropriate model for your intended application. All Conquest FlexStat models include a temperature sensor with options for CO2, motion, and humidity sensors. This allows you to have up to 4 sensors in one and suit whatever your project needs. When you're ready to install, remove the cover from the backplate. If the cover is locked, look on the bottom of the FlexStat. Here you'll find a hex screw. Turn the hex screw clockwise until it clears the cover, but be sure not to remove it. Now you can pull the bottom of the cover away from the backplate. Next, route the wiring through the hole in the center of the backplate. With the embossed arrows pointing towards the ceiling, mount the backplate using the provided screws. Now you can make the appropriate wiring and network connections. These may change depending on the application and network types. We suggest referencing the KMC Conquest FlexStat sequence of operation and wiring guide for your specific application before you install. You can find documentation on the KMC Partner Portal. When wiring is complete, place the cover over the top of the backplate and carefully swing it down into place. Now you can turn the hex screw on the bottom counterclockwise to lock in the cover. That's how you install a KMC Conquest FlexStat. For more information on the KMC Conquest FlexStat, check out the other videos in this series. Or to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.